how to add free shipping over a certain amount of money on your Shopify store. So here from the left hand side, we will go to the discounts page and we will choose create discount. As you can see at the very bottom, you should see this option for free shipping. So offer free shipping on an order. And we can do discount code or automatic discount, so without a code. And we can type something like order over $20 and get free shipping. And the most important part is this one, shipping rates. Exclude shipping rates over a certain amount. And then here is where you set the amount that you've mentioned previously. So for example, $20, then applies to shipping rates under $20. And now if we have set this, then we can just save it. And now people will get free shipping over $20. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.